Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Salesforce CRM data for analytics with Tableau Prep. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by launching Tableau Prep on your computer. Connect to your Salesforce CRM data source by selecting the appropriate connector. Enter your Salesforce credentials to establish the connection. Once connected, navigate to the Connections pane to view your data tables. Select the relevant Salesforce objects, such as accounts, contacts, or opportunities. Drag and drop these objects into the Flow pane to begin creating your data flow. Use the Clean step to filter out any unnecessary fields. Consider renaming fields for clarity and consistency. Next, explore the Join step to combine multiple data sources if needed. Make sure to check the join conditions to ensure accurate data merging. Utilize the Union step to append data from similar tables as required. After preparing your data, proceed to the Aggregate step for summarizing your metrics. Choose the dimensions you want to group by and the measures to aggregate. Use the Filter step to remove any outlier data points that may skew your analysis. Check for null values or duplicates using the data quality functions in Tableau Prep. Once your data looks clean, save your flow to ensure your changes are stored. Export your clean data to Tableau Desktop by selecting the Output options. In Tableau Desktop, create visualizations using the cleansed dataset for your analytics. Analyze the results and derive insights from the visualizations to inform decision-making. Regularly update and maintain your data flow to accommodate changes in Salesforce CRM data. Document your workflow process for future reference and continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.